Hey guys, this is Tech It Out, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade or replace the SSD in your 2013 MacBook Air 11-inch. So let's get started. Okay, so first go ahead and flip your MacBook over and unscrew the 10 T5 screws around the perimeter of the MacBook. Okay, so now you can use a plastic prying tool or your hand to pull the plate off the bottom of the MacBook. Now use a plastic prying tool to pop off the battery connection. Do not use a metal prying tool as you could shock yourself or possibly even damage the MacBook. Okay, so now all you have to do is unscrew the T5 screw securing the SSD. Then gently tug on the SSD, it doesn't take much, and it will pop out just like that. Then get your new SSD and put it back in the slot. Again, don't be too rough with it so that you do not damage any connections, and then screw in the T5 screw. Now you can go ahead and snap down the battery connection to the motherboard. So now it is time to go ahead and put on the back plate of the MacBook. We need to screw in all 10 of the T5 screws, keeping in mind that the top 2 in the middle are longer than the rest of them. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and drop a like, as well as subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.